Hello my friends, this is Jeannie. Welcome back. I'm going to share with you a small purchase that I made from thecatsmeowshop.com. We all know how I feel about that shop. I love that shop. I was browsing Evelyn's shop and noticed a few new Santoro London Gorgeous Girls items. So of course I picked them up. So let me share those items with you. In addition to the Gorgeous Girls items, I did pick up some other items that I will share with you as well. Why not, right? So first thing, let me share this awesome little freebie that Evelyn was so kind to send. She tends to include little freebies with purchases made from her shop. This is a really cute little penguin stamp and die set by Hampton Art. Super cute. Love that. The first item, OMG guys, the first Santoro London item is this Christmas collectible rubber stamp set, which I am loving. These are part of the minis that Santoro London has taken to putting out, and this is a set of 4. Now, what I love about this, if you collect these minis, then you know that they tend to be released in groups of 20. So the first set of 20, then it was the next. So it was like, I think 1 through 20, then 21 through 60, then no, I can't even do math. It was 1 through 20, then 21 through 40, and then 41 through 60. And I have just been sitting waiting patiently for what I assumed was going to be like 61 through 80. But apparently that's not what they're doing. I actually like this system a little better. What they did was they released a set of 4 in this Christmas edition little collection, and it comes with the page. So if you have the binder to store the minis, which I do, the best part of this set of 4 that they released is that it already comes with the storage page. So that was awesome. And it does include the little mini collectible card that they include with all of the stamps. So super excited about this release. I think this style of release makes so much more sense than releasing a bundle of 20, which can be cost prohibitive. But these sets of 4 I love, and even so much more now that they include the storage page for the binder. So if they continue with this system, I'm not complaining. I mean, then again, if they release another bundle of 20, I'll probably get that as well. But I hadn't even realized they released this. I kind of stumbled across it while I was in Evelyn's shop. I love her shop because she tends to have the newest, super quick, and there's some items in her page she just don't find anywhere else, and always reasonably priced, and the shipping is super quick. So I have 0 complaints about that shop. I absolutely adore that shop. So it's kind of like nighttime reading for me to go check them out every week or so and see what's new in the shop. I have been super good in resisting and making any purchases, but this one just about nope, no resistance. I had to get it right away. So here are the 4. Number 61 is called the Blizzard. She is so cute. And again, these are the minis. Number 62 is Holly. She is beautiful. Number 63 is Wintertime. Can you see her? She's making a little snow angel, it looks like to me. And number 64 is called Snowfall. And here is the storage sheet for it. Look at that gorgeous illustration on the back. So looking forward to future releases. If you know, maybe you have more information than I do. If you know about any other releases that I might have missed, then definitely let me know. If you know what the timeline is for the next bundle of 20, then definitely let me know. Because most of what I know, I just learned from other crafters through word of mouth. Or I guess it should be word of video, right? Through other videos here on YouTube. So here is the back of the packaging. That is the storage case I was talking about. I think also there might be a second storage case that they will be releasing. I don't know. I think I heard that somewhere. Could be making that up in my head. Wouldn't be the first time. I make up a lot of things in my head. It's how I get through the day. But I'm almost sure I might have even seen with that second case. Did I see it? Oh my gosh, guys. You know when you do too much surfing online and looking at so many things that it just all becomes a jumble? I am at that point in my life where everything in my brain is just a big jumble. Sometimes I see things. I'm not sure where I saw them. I don't know. But I'm almost sure there's a second case that they're going to be releasing. Because that first one is pretty packed with the first 60 minis. And now this little edition of 4. So gorgeous, gorgeous little set. And as always, the paper, the packaging, all of it can be totally upcycled. So yay for that. Separate and apart from Gorgeous Girls, here is a 6-piece laser cut chipboard set by Beau Bunny. These are all clocks. I love this. Love, love, love these. I got these for some art journaling projects. Just thought I would share those with you. And these are super easy to paint, guys. Don't think that you're stuck with the color. You can always put a nice little coating with gesso. And it's basically a blank canvas for you to do whatever you want to them. More Gorgeous Girls items. These awesome paper doll kits. Oh my God. They are killing me. Look at these. I found 4 of them in Evelyn's shop. I don't know if they're more than 4, but I found 4. 4. Super cute. And I think what I will do is I'm probably going to spend a good part of tonight playing with these little paper kits, these paper dolls, putting them together. And then I'll come back in a separate video and show them to you. So here is the first kit. Let's see. This makes 1 paper doll. It contains 3 die cut sheets, twine, and mini brads. Oh my goodness. You get everything you need. So this is ready to go. Ready to go. Ready to go. And that is what your doll will look like when you are done putting her together. How awesome. Here's a closer look. This one, does she have a name? Rainy Days, of course. This one is Rainy Days. Oh God, these illustrations are gorgeous. This one is called Tiptoes. My goodness. Isn't she beautiful? What? The question then becomes, what do I do with them after I put them together? Maybe a card? Maybe put them in a journal? Oh my gosh. Maybe just hang them in my room? They're so beautiful. This one is called Night Light. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Maybe that's what I do. I will do. I think, you know, ultimately they're going to end up being displayed somewhere in my new craft room. I know that. It's just a question of how to display them. This final set is called Time to Fly. And they look super easy to put together. Oh my goodness, she is gorgeous. Look at her. So these are, again, the sets. Aren't they beautiful? Gorgeous. I was so excited when I saw these. I couldn't order them fast enough. And then last, but certainly not least, is this large die set. This is new to me. I don't know how long this one has been out. This one is called Time to Fly. And I checked to make sure I didn't have this one in my little collection. and it wasn't there. So if this has been out for a while, I'm surprised I missed it, because I tend to pick these up as soon as they come out. This one I didn't have. So this is awesome. This comes with not only the die cuts, but the die cuts emboss as well. Like, for example, you see those little details in her hair, those details, if you have a machine that uses that has the correct amount of pressure, those little details will be embossed onto the paper that you use to cut out these dies. And they also send you coordinating paper, these papers, so that you can make a little outfit to match exactly like the one that's shown in the little illustration. So these kits are pretty complete as well. I think the key to using these kits is using a die cut machine that exerts the correct amount of pressure. You need enough pressure to really see the embossing detail. I have cut these Santora dies previously using my Big Shot, and I don't get the embossing detail. But when I used my Gemini, that Gemini is a beast. The embossing detail is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So I just wanted to put that out there. That is my entire share, my friends. Thank you so, so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. If you're new and visiting me for the first time and you like what you see, subscribe, come back and visit me. That would be so, so awesome. And I will catch you all in the next video. Until next time, my friends. Bye-bye.